Today we are going to cover how to view my rental information. So if you log into your TenantCloud account as a tenant, and you'll see you have your general dashboard, you can view invoices, but on the left-hand side, and notifications, on the left-hand side here, you go down to My Rental. And here, of course, if you want to pay rent, here's your rent amount, but here's My Rental. And I click on this. This is going to take me to my general lease information about my rentals. And so here you see I'm renting an apartment. It's active. It's with Tasha, the landlord. And I click on my rental information. And here it's going to take me to my whole lease. I can send a message, send a maintenance request. Here is all my lease information. So I click this. I can see my lease document. And then here is my transactions that I have in connection to this lease. I also have my renter's insurance. Here's a number I put in, and then here are my utility providers if my landlord provided any. So I can easily contact utility providers. But that is how to find my rental information using TenantCloud. So thanks for watching.